Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. A group of ladies, including myself from YouTube, are getting together for Glitzy Nails UK's birthday. Glitzy, happy birthday. We hope you are enjoying yourself. We hope you have a beautifully blessed day. For her manicure, I've already got my base coat on and cured. I'm using Model 1's polish in the colors Pinky Drink and Magic Blue. This is going to be on the accent nail. I have not used Pinky Drink, so I'm not too sure how that's going to turn out here. I'm going to give the bottle a little roll between my hands. Trying to get it to mix up real good. It's a beautiful, beautiful pinky glitter color. I think I need a little bit more on my brush. This is a really, really pretty color. Sorry about this. I gotta clean up the sidewalls here. It's not the best application. It's pretty though. Real pretty. This is some thick polish too. Definitely on the thick side. I do love the color. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm going to skip over here to the pinky nail. I don't know why, but I am. And back to the middle finger. Glitzy, I hope you like this manicure, honey. I know we don't know each other very well at all, but maybe this will be the start. Clean up your sidewalls as much as you can. This looks kind of a little bit frustrated here. Trying to get the sidewalls cleaned up, and it's not going so swell. Okay, we're going to go in with the Blue Magic, or Magic Blue now. Really love this color. This color I have worn. I think this is a nice, beautiful blue. Wish it was a little bit more sparkly than it is. So I'm going to put this in the lamp. I'm going to cure it, and I will be right back. Alrighty, we're back. I have put 2 coats on. I have cured both of them. I am going to put a little bit of stamping on one finger. So I have got this plate. It's by Azure. Yes, Azure makes stamping plates now. JQ41. Sorry. I'm going to be using this flower image right there in white, and I'm going to be putting it over the blue polish. I have got Kiss Jill Strong and French White. The Kiss polishes are great for stamping. Get my stamper. take off the excess with my stamper. Or try to. There we go. Always clean your stamper after each use with a lint roller or tape. And that didn't do too good of a job. I think I need to change my lint roller here. I'm going to set that aside. I will clean that later. I am going to top coat the nails now and seal them in. Again, this is Lotto One's top coat. It is a no wipe top coat. At least that's the experience I've had with it. You don't need to slop up your nails. Have a nice, beautiful, thin, glossy coat. I'm going to do that nail last and top coat. Give that regular polish a chance to dry. Put the top coat on. Looks really beautiful. I love this polish from Model 1's. It's Glitter Party. I got it from Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description box as always. Comes, I think, is 8 beautiful colors. Whoops. And there we go. And I'm going to top coat these, and I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back. We have top coated and cured the nails. They are finished. They are dried. I put a little bit of, I think this is a butterfly ring on, just to add some little bling to it. I am going to, or I'm thinking about, let's see. Should have thought about this before I top coated. Shoot, shoot, shoot. That was my dog you just heard. She's not feeling very well. Thinking about putting some of these on. What do you think? Maybe on just one nail. Then I'll do the index finger. I'll put some top coat on. Whoops. Oh. Okay, I see the one I want to use. I'm just going to place it on the very tip of, oops. Why does it want to stay? Doesn't want to be picked up at all either, it seems like. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't seem to want to stay. I would like it on the tip of the nail right there. But, whoops. Yeah, it definitely wants to move. Definitely wants to move. So let's see if I can get this in the lamp. Whoops. Whoopsie. Without it moving. Get this cured really quick. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp, give it a final cure, and we are finished. If you are new here, please subscribe, click that bell for me so you get notified of all future videos. I do a She Modern Saturday series every Saturday. I also upload on Tuesday and Thursdays of the week. So it's 3 videos a week you get from me. Comment below, let me know what you think of this so far. I think it's turning out rather well. It is for Glitzy Nails UK. There was a group of us ladies off of YouTube that got together. You can also find us on Instagram. There, I am nailed at 67, one word. Down in the comments, you will find a comment pinned with a link for the, what's it called? Playlist. There we go. There will be a playlist with a link to everybody's videos. You get to see what each one of us done. Please watch them all. Show us all support. Like, comment, give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think. Okay, that is now secure. What do we think? Was that bling a good little choice or no? It's blue, so I thought it would match the accent nail. But I thought it was kind of cool. Well, let me know what you think. Let me a comment down below. Glitzy, I hope you see my video, honey. Happy birthday, and we love you. Everyone else, and Glitzy, have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.